Using Natwest Card Reader is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the natwest.com website. So when you get into its site, you will find out the process of how to use a card reader. So let me explain to you how to use a Natwest Card Reader. First of all, insert your card into the reader, making sure the card number matches the one shown on online banking. Now, on the card reader, when asked to select function, press the button with the up and down arrows. And when prompted, enter your card's PIN and press the OK button. Then, in the card reader, enter the number displayed by online banking and press the OK button. Now, in online banking, enter the passcode number shown by the card reader. Make sure to keep your card reader in a safe and secure place when you're not using it. It's a valuable security device, and you should treat it with the same care as you would your debit or credit card. If you have any issues using your Natwest Card Reader or need further assistance, consider reaching out to the Natwest customer support or visiting a local branch for in-person help.